My name is Tim Truax. I served 8 years in the United States Navy as an aviation electronics technician, second class. I'm out here with Oath, the 5th annual shark fishing trip. And it's my first time to shark fish. Really looking forward to it, really excited about the trip. This is my first time to shark fish, so I'm really excited about trying to, hook up on the first shark and maybe some redfish, anything else that bites. Take some fish home to the family.
Pretty slow and hot. I'm ready to reel one in though and get wet.
Push back, yeah, you're gonna set it right on the bench right there.
Take that rod from me real quick.
And then grab the tail with the other hand. There you go. Perfect. Perfect.
There you go.
Yay!
That's my biggest
Look
ever.
over here.
Sideways like a shotgun point at it. There you go.
Yeah.
Wrapped up in a leader. Yep. One sand. I got dog. Orange plate. Spinners and black tips look a lot alike. Yeah, it looks like a black tip. Yeah, it looks like a black tip.
Yay! You want to take a picture with it?
Yeah.
Will you hold it?
I don't know.
Grab it right here, control his head. That's a crucial part. Right here? Yeah. And then grab him the back of the tail. There you go. That's awesome.
Nice and bloody.
That's so awesome.
As you do, you gotta feed it back and forth. Make sure you're watching that. Land it back.
First cap, that's huge. No, it's not huge. Just keep the pressure on the fish. Okay.
Alright, thank you.
This is amazing.
No, sir, they don't. Crappie don't either. You can't buy a smile like this, I'm gonna tell you that right now. Oh my gosh, look at that! Holy cow! Oh, that is awesome!
Good job, brother.
Oh, that is awesome! Man!
Get the tank, measure the fish.
Oh my gosh!
Huh?
Tim, get over here real quick. Tim, over here quick. It's time to me. Somebody from where Josh is standing, take me.
Over there, over there.
Over there. Come over there. Over there. Take a big. Right there. Good.
Leader's filling the mouth.
What a rush, dude. What a rush.
Oh my God,
what a
that just
rush.
made my day. That just made my day. That's sweet. That's awesome. That is awesome.
My man. My man.